Hello students, good morning.
Good
Welcome to
morning,
our
teacher.
good morning beta. Welcome to our online classes conducted by MCGM. So students, we will start some activity. Okay students, ready?
Yes, ready.
Okay, clap your hands. Fast, slow, very slow. Okay, roll your hands. Fast, slow. Okay. Now clap your upside 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands downside 2 times. 1, 2. Clap your hands right side 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. And left side uh, one time. 1. Okay, students. Now, students, we will learn about new topic, addition. Addition is the total number of the item. Okay. Addition का sign plus का है, plus. Addition is also called plus. Addition means to put things together. Addition is to put things together. Okay. And addition is also called combined. Combined. And also called addition is also called joining. Okay. This is the sign of the plus. Plus. Add. Add. Plus. Okay. Now. Okay, बच्चों.
Okay.
Okay. Now we will start two methods of the addition. One method is addition with the help of the object. And another one method is help of the fingers. Okay, students?
Yes.
Okay, Beta? Okay. Now I will show you pictures. Okay?
Three. Three trees.
Very good. Very good.
Three trees.
How many trees? 1, 2
plus
plus 1. 1. 1, 2 plus 1. How many total trees? Count it.
Three.
1,
Three trees.
2, and 3. Very good. How many number? What number? 3. 3.
Trees.
Total is 3 tree. Total is 3 tree. Very good, bachcho. Very nice.
Fish.
This is a
3 fish and 5 fish.
very good.
Fish
3
and 5
trees. Very good, bachcho. Count it.
5, 6, 7, 8.
1,
8
2,
fish.
3. Very good, bacha. Very nice, students.
80 fishes.
8 is 8 fish. Very good.
Eight fish.
8 fish. 8 fish. Very
Eight.
good. How many apples? 1, 2,
One,
3, 4, 5.
five,
5
and
plus 5.
apples.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count together.
10
हाँ,
apples.
count. Okay, count together, beta. 1, 2,
3, 4,
3, 4, 5,
5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the answer? 10. What is the answer?
10 apples.
10 apple. Very good. I will give you one more example. Okay. What is this?
4 balls. Four
Ball.
balls plus 2 balls.
Very
is
good.
equal to
4 ball
6 balls.
plus 2 ball. 6 ball. To
6
count
balls.
in fingers, I have 4 balls in one fingers and 2 number in another fingers. How many fingers? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many balls?
6
You count the
balls.
fingers. Total
1,
fingers. How many?
4, 5,
6
6.
fingers. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fingers. 6. Answer is 6. Answer is 6. 4 ball plus 2 ball is total ball is 6. Very good. Fan.
2
Two
fans
fan.
plus 2 fans is equal to 2
Fan. How many?
4 fans.
How many fan?
4 fans.
4. Very good. Count in your fingers. 2 plus 2. Count your fingers.
2
1,
plus
2. And another hand is 2. 2
4.
plus 2, 4. Very good. 2 plus 2,
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. Answer is 4.
4.
Very good. Donate. You like
2
donate?
plus
Ah,
2
2
plus 5
2
is
plus
equal
5.
to 7.
Very good. Very nice. 2 plus 5 equal to 7. Now, count your fingers. 2 plus 5
Plus
is
5
one hands and 5 in another hands. 2 plus 5. Count karo. Count it. 1, 2,
1, 2,
3.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Very good. Total is 7. Very good. 2 tomatoes and another 2 plus 2. How many?
4
4. 2 plus 2, 4.
is equal to 4.
4 is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
Count in your fingers. 2 plus
1,
2,
2, 3,
2
4.
plus
4
2,
fingers.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3,
4. Very good.
4. 1, 2, 3.
Ice cream. Cupcake.
1
1
plus
plus 2.
equal to 3.
2. 3. Very good. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 3 cupcake. You like cupcake?
Yes, I like a
Very good.
two meow, 4 meow, 4 cat.
2 plus 2
2 plus 2, 4 cat.
plus 2. How many? Count karo. Count it. 1, 2,
2,
3 and
3, 4.
4. 4. How many?
1, 2,
4.
3 and 4.
Very good. Count in your fingers. 2 plus 2.
2
Count
plus
in your fingers.
4.
4. 1, 2,
1,
3 and 4. Very good.
4.
Very good, bachcho. Very nice.
4
Now another example.
plus 3, 4 and 4.
You are ready?
4 and 5,
I
6,
will
7,
give
8.
you more example.
Plant the together near the tree.
I have 4 ice cream sticks. I have 4 ice cream sticks. 4 plus 3. I have
4 plus
4.
3.
I have 4 ice cream sticks. And another, I add in 3 ice cream sticks. How many ice cream sticks I have? Count
1,
it.
2, 3,
Wait,
4,
wait,
5.
beta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. How many? 4 plus 3?
7.
7. 7 ice cream stick I have. Total is 7. 7 ice cream stick. Answer is 7. Okay. I have 1 flower. And another hand is 3 flowers. How many flowers?
3 plus 1
1,
plus 2 is equal to
1, 3. I have 1 plus 3 equal to 4 flowers. Count karo. Count it. 1, 2,
1, 2,
2, 3, and
4.
4. How many flowers? 4
4.
flowers. How many flowers? 4 flowers. Very good. Now another example.
2 plus 6.
2 plus 6.
Plus 6 is equal to 8.
Ah,
Is
I have,
to 8.
I have 2 matchbox and another is 6 matchbox. 2 plus 6.
2
1,
plus 8
2.
is equal to 8.
Very good. Count it, beta. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
7
2 plus 6, 8.
and
2 plus 6, 8. I have 8 matchbox, not 7. Okay? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Answer is 8. I have 8 maths box. I have 8 maths box. Very good. Now I will show you another example.
Three plus three is equal to 6.
3 plus 3 is equal to
Equal to 6.
6. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Very good. Very clever बच्चे हैं. 3 plus 6, 3 plus 3, 6. Very good. Now,
6
6
plus 4.
plus 4. What?
6
6 plus 4.
plus 4
Count in
is
your
equal to
fingers.
10.
6 plus 4. Count in your fingers. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 plus 4, 10. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
9, 10.
Total is 6 plus 4. Total is 10. Very good. Very good. Now, last sum.
7
7
plus 2
plus 2.
is equal to 9.
7 plus 2.
Is equal to 9.
What? 7 plus 2,
Is equal to 9.
9. Very good. My answer is 9. Count in your fingers. 7 fingers. Show me your 7 fingers. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 plus 2. 1 and 2. How many fingers? Total fingers. 7 plus 2. Count karo.
Is
Count
equal
it.
to 9.
9. Very good. Count it, beta. Count it. 1, 2,
1, 2,
3.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Very nice. Very good. One plus 4. How
1
many?
plus 4 is equal to 5.
5. Very good. Is equal to 5. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Answer is 5.
5.
1 plus 4. Answer is 5. 1 plus 4. Answer is 5. Thank you, beta. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.
Bye.
Bye.